Hello. Let me share that I'm starting. Let me share everywhere that I'm starting my live stream. Starting now. Starting now. So, hello. If anyone is here, hello. Let me know if you can hear and see the chart. I will wait a bit. I started a bit earlier. So let me know if you can hear and see. I will wait a bit. Meanwhile, I want to go through some charts. Let me go through some charts. ES, futures, Europe, gold. Gold is breaking out. Gold is breaking out. Just a second, let me write it in the Discord that gold is breaking out. So gold jump was it yesterday? Yeah, gold is breaking out. Let me do this. So who is from Discord, who is from CFT or Twitter? I was writing about gold yesterday and a few days ago. Let me check. 2 p.m. When was it? Yeah, on 5th of November I was writing, and I highlighted this level for 1032. Very important. Only if it will give a breakout, it can go higher, and this is what we have right now. So on 4 hour we see this 4 hour close here right above this level. And right now I would pay attention to, let me put Fibonacci. So I'm pulling fibs from this high and this low. Yeah, and we can see that even on this 4 hour time frame, we see this 075086, that this fib also aligned with the next resistance around 4114, which aligns with 2.61 Fibonacci of the monthly time frame. Yeah, so we should be cautious once gold comes to this resistance zone. Either it will reject, but I will be very bearish only if it will break below this level, 4032. 4032 is a key level. Otherwise, it can still go much higher back towards previous all-time high to fill this FVGs over here, or towards to 1.41, 1.61 Fibonacci levels, which aligns with the 4267, 4322. Okay, so someone can catch a nice pump of 5-6%. Pamela, hello. I can hear and see. Hello, how are you? Okay, so just small update regarding gold. Otherwise, let's go back to Bitcoin and see what is going on here. So let me know, Pamela, where are you from? Like, I mean, are you from the CFT or Twitter or Discord, Chroma Discord? Because I was sharing yesterday this chart in a Chroma, that what do we have on Bitcoin? We see this consolidation, yeah, and the price was forming this triangle. I highlighted these areas according to the FIBS with possibility of Bitcoin to go again to the lower part of this triangle, test this low or 0.75 FIBS, and then bounce. But we see that the price was nicely holding this 4-hour FVG support. Yeah, and as a result, we see this breakout from this triangle. I usually don't trade patterns, but it's just to show, how you can also use technical analysis. So yeah, we see this breakout, and next resistance zone around 4-hour FVG. We have here FVG also. It aligns with 0.75086 Fibonacci. I put this FIBS on these levels. Let me show you. So I took this high and this low, and I pulled this FIBS. As a result, we see that 0.75086 aligns with 4-hour FVG, bearish order block, and 200 EMA. Yeah, before, if we look, we see that 200 EMA was standing all the time as a strong resistance. Yeah, so it's very important to look how Bitcoin will react around this zone. So far, I'm more on the bullish side because we had a nice bounce. Daily time frame looks also pretty good. We see that the price pumped from the very important level. It's a 0.5 Fibonacci level from the monthly time frame. Let me show you. So we go to monthly. Sorry, too many numbers. So we have this price action, this pump, this bullish move, and I took this bullish move and put FIBS from this low till this high, and we see that 0.5 was exactly around $100,300, which also aligns with the previous low. So price did it bounced from also equal lows, and also this area aligns with the strong EMAs, 50 EMA in our case. On a weekly time frame, this red line, it's a 50 EMA, and so far, if we look at the history of this chart, it was always respecting 50 EMA. So this time we could see the same thing. Yeah, the only question is, I don't know if we will have a breakout. And just let me turn off everything. Yeah, I don't know if we will have a breakout today. From this resistance zone, we also see that this 4-hour resistance area aligns with daily FVG and daily 200 EMA. Of course, 200 EMA was always standing as a strong EMA. So what can happen? Either we will still have some choppiness, some consolidation before breakout, or today we'll have a breakout, price will hold above this 200 EMA and boom towards to previous all-time high, or maybe towards the new all-time high. So still we should be cautious because the price is still below the resistance. Only when price will give a good breakout and confirmation, we can be safe with leverage longs. Otherwise, what can happen? Once Bitcoin will decide to nuke, it can affect altcoins, and we can still see that some altcoins are very weak. And in my opinion, that we could see some shakeouts before like proper bullish run. So what I'm expecting for the bearish reaction around this 4-hour resistance zone. And but I would be still a bit cautious. I mean, I would not like open a big position of the short because the bullish trend currently more leading. What can also happen is that price will simply do a breakout, consolidate, and continue. This is also possible. So if you will take a short, manage your risks, and I would be still looking for longs. Either it will be for our FVG support, or you can pull FIPS from low till the highs that will be formed. If it will be formed on 109,392, then you pull Fibonacci to this level, and then just look for longs around 0.5, 0.618 or 0.75 Fibonacci. If we look right now, we see that it also aligns, this FIPS align with the 4-hour FVG support, and this trend line that we had as a resistance should stand as a support. Yeah, so I would not be surprised to see something like this. So yeah, today I'm more working with longs rather than with shorts. I will be very bearish only if Bitcoin will give 4-hour close below 100,300. If it will give 4-hour close below, then expect lower targets around $95,000. This is where I have limit order. I have this limit order to long, I have this limit order to long, just in case. Yeah, so situations like this. Let me check the chat. Can you hear me now? Your voice is repeating. Amioba, Amioba, I don't know how to say. Let me know if you can hear me now. Can you hear me well? If it's repeating, I'm sorry, probably my internet. So regarding Ethereum currently is facing resistance on 4-hour time frame. It's interesting to short. Yeah, but good short level was around 0.5 FIB, 3,649. Yeah, and if you will short here, I think it's not a big deal. I would be looking for something like this. Oops, sorry. Something. Why it's not taking? Just a second. Yeah, something like this. First take profit would be around 3,500. Second around 3,430. Both these areas are very strong, from where Ethereum can give nice bounce. So be quick with taking profits. In case a price will decide to drop further, then this is the next target around here, and around 3,227, and this is the level where I would be interested to look for longs as well. This is according to 4-hour time frame. Okay, let me check the chat again. Yes, yeah, better now. It's okay. Yes, we can. Thank you. Hi, Vazi. Check XLM. It looks ready to send. I will check. Yeah, and whoever is trading stock market, I shared this two chart ideas in a Discord yesterday. So NQ, it's very close to the resistance zone on 4-hour time frame. It aligns with FIPS and 4-hour FVG, and also it aligns with the daily resistance area. So to be bullish, it needs to flip, needs to give a breakout. Then we can say that okay, it's safe to long. Otherwise, what can happen? I'm expecting right now to see some correction, but price can find support around this 4-hour FVG, yeah, or around 25,076, I would say. It's a good number. It also aligns with them. also aligns with the 4-hour FVG zone. This is the first area where it would be interesting to look for longs. Yeah, otherwise worst case, price can drop further towards 24,318, which also aligns with this previous low. Yeah, and let me check if there's anything else on other time frames, maybe some EMAs. Let me go to daily. Yeah, and we can see that on daily time frame, this area aligns with the 100 EMA support. And so far, if we look on a daily time frame, first of all, Nasdaq never came since May 2025, never touched 100 EMA. So in case Nasdaq will give this kind of drop, it will be a big discount for the market. Okay, it will be really a golden opportunity to long, because with the stock market, it really respects EMAs, and whenever it touches like certain EMA after a long time, it usually gives a strong bullish run. Example I can show you. Look here, April 2024. This was the last time Nasdaq came to 100 EMA. Yeah, and since then it did 21%. It was just running like crazy. Yeah, here it was with 200 EMA, but overall this index really respects like 50 EMA. We can look here, for example. This is the last time it came to 50, it pumped. This is the last time it came to 50, it pumped. And on Friday it was one more time, it came to 50, and currently it's pumping. So, but let's see if it will give a breakout above the resistance or not. Yeah, so these levels for you to watch, to either long or buy. Yeah, these are safe areas in my opinion. SP 500, the same situation, and I even showed it on ES. Let me open futures. Why it's stuck? Which one? ES. Here ES 1. So it came to exactly this resistance zone, and right now it's showing weakness. Yeah, I would do the same technique as with Nasdaq. Pull FIBs, and would be looking for this 4-hour FVG support area. This should be a good zone to beat. Otherwise, just a little bit lower, which also aligns with this previous low, October 2025. Yeah, these are really golden opportunities to swing long position. It's really safe areas. Pamela, which pair you ask? I think your question was regarding this. It's NQ, it's Nasdaq, it's a stock market. So let me check. What was the question? Okay. Xelama. Yeah, stellar. Okay, let me check. Okay, it looks good. Let me go to high time frame. Oh, I even had some charts here. Let me remove. So what do we have on monthly? Just a second, let me check all time frames. If you bought spot, then this coin, high time frame, long term, should give crazy gains. I would not be surprised to see it around $1. Okay, it's more high time frame. Why? 6 monthly chart. We see that on 6 monthly, it tested 6 monthly demand zone, FVG zone. Here RSI is above 50. It's a bullish sign. 3 monthly, we see that on October 10th, when there was a liquidation event, we see that the price already tested 3 monthly FVG demand zone, support zone, yeah, and it also tested 2026 EMAs. Usually in the market, 2026 EMAs are EMAs of the bullish trend continuation. Then monthly, what do we see on monthly? Monthly, previous monthly close was nice. It closed above the bullish demand zone on a monthly time frame. Also, if I put FIPS, yeah, we see that this October monthly close was above 0.75. This is very important. Right now, this month, November, price already tested and filled the wick of the October's candle, trying to push higher. Currently, it's above 0.75, and if we go to weekly time frame, it looks even better. We see that on weekly it bounced from 100 EMA as well, and so far 100 EMA was always standing as a strong support. So what I'm expecting, I'm expecting to see a breakout, some consolidation, and continuation of the bullish trend. So in case you bought spot, great. In case you're looking for long, my opinion, it's a good area, and I would take it as a swing position, something like this. This according weekly. 3D also very beautiful. 200 EMA holding. Okay, no bullish divergence. Let me check daily. And daily, it's preparing for the bullish momentum. So I would actually do something like this. I'm gonna share it in a Discord. It looks really good. Let me share it. Really good coin. Thank you for letting me know about this. Let me also share it in other places. Yeah, very good coin, very good looking. Definitely, I'm expecting on daily time frame, and I'm expecting a breakout above this 50, and it should bring a momentum. So we should see something like this. Very good looking. High time frame, I'm expecting this target 1.1. Let me check the chat. Yeah, so yeah, it's really good looking. Let me also check low time frame just in case. 4 hour. Time frame. So what do we have here on 4-hour time frame? Yeah, it's been forming higher lows. Yeah, bullish formations. The only resistance that it has is this one. Now what do we need is to see a breakout, consolidation, and boom. In case it will give some low time frame correction, simply you can use either FVG or EMAs. Okay, we have also EMAs. Let me show you on 4 hour. Simply use either like 50, 100 or 4 hour FVGs. In case it will retest, you can use this 4 hour FVG support. Currently it's already flipped above 100 EMA and it already tested 4 hour FVG support. So I think it will, from here it will continue its bullish trend. Yeah, so what can we expect? We have here 200 EMA's resistance. It can do a breakout, retest, consolidation, and bullish trend continuation towards to this highs and just higher. Also keep in mind that I'm targeting these levels according to high time frame. Okay, high time frame like monthly, 3 monthly charts. So it will take some time to reach this level. So either you just buy spot or just swing long. Swing long means that you will have to keep this position for some time. Maybe, I don't know, maybe there will be some news and it will just pump like a dash recently, or a zag. Yeah, let me show you, like zag. Look, like unstoppable. Maybe it will do something like this. I don't know. I don't know what is the plan of market makers behind this, you know. But yeah, if you are thinking where you can book some profits, then it's pretty simple. You can just pull fibs. So we take this bearish move. Yeah, this bearish move that Stellar had from July till like November, recent, yeah, and simply put Fibonacci from the high to the low. I'm not taking this week, but actually you can. Let me check. Actually we can put till this week, till this low. Yeah, and usually it's always like the most strong resistance level is around 0.75. So once the coin will reach $0.43 area, this is where you can book some profits. Okay. Also this level aligns with the previous highs. Yeah, and this level was standing always like a resistance zone. So either it will do again something like this and reject, or finally will give a breakout and just pump. I think that it will give a breakout about these resistance zones and will pump higher. But yeah, this coin looks really, really good. Arca. Yeah, sure. Let me check this one. Wow, it's already pumping. It's already pumping. So the coin was in this long consolidation, and right now it's giving a breakout. You see, since March 2025 till like recent, it's been simply in a range between 0.18 and 0.099. And right now it looks like it's giving a breakout. Next targets we can take as, I can put fibs on the monthly. Yeah, I would take this high and this low. And let's go back to weekly. So in this situation, I will pay attention to 0.618 fib, which also aligns with this bearish demand zone here. It can reject from this level. Next one, I would pay attention to this zone. Yeah, it can also reject from this area. And but high time frame, I don't know if it will give a breakout above this level, then it can go of course higher towards to 1.27, 1.2 levels, which also align with the next resistance zone. If you want to know low time frame, so coin right now already pumping. Yeah. Let me go to low time frame. What I usually do when I see this kind of bullish momentums, I simply follow EMAs. In my case, it's 20, 26, and 50. We can see that Stellar was respecting 20, 26 EMAs for a long time. It's this green EMAs that you can see. Yeah, but when it was touching 50, it was a strong bullish how to say it, like this 50 EMA was bringing this bullish momentum, so I would wait for the retest of 2026 EMAs and jump into the long, jump into the swing long with the target that I highlighted on the chart. Yeah, where it is. It can easily give, in my opinion, this target 0.5. Just a second. So I pulled Fips from this high to this low. Yeah, or you can simply use Fibonacci also as your as a tool that can help you. So in case it will come to retest 0.61805 Fips around 0.1462 to 0.1582, this is a buy area for me. Okay, this is a buy area for me. But high time frame, it looks good. I'm bullish on this one. Track, yeah. Let me check track. Oh, wait. Bastis, please tell me which one should I check? Track original trail or track just track USDT, because I think this one is not correct. What is this chart? Which one? This one? Let me open this one. Okay, if this one is correct, just let me know. Original trail. I think, yeah, this one. Yeah. So let me find it on the Bybit or Binance. Okay, I will check it on Maxi. Check it on Maxi. So what do we have on a chart? So monthly looks good. Yeah, it was in consolidation between these areas, 0.029, 0.052. Yeah, price was consolidating pretty long. Let me do it blue. Yeah, what do we have with current situation? We see that the price tested this breakout zone. Probably it also aligns with some FEG. Yeah, monthly FEG. And right now we see this nice pump. I will put Fips to highlight areas that I'm interested in. Yeah, we see the 0.5, 0.75, and then 1.41. Usually these are my key levels. So I would say, according to this weekly breakout, retest, and now the prices preparing for the continuation of the bullish trend, I think it will give a breakout above this 0.5 Fibonacci or this weekly FVG and will go higher. I would really pay attention around this zone, 1.47, 1.6. Yeah, this is from where price can reject and correct. In this case, even if it will correct, this 0.5 should stand as a support, okay, for the bullish trend continuation. Why this level is very important? It not only aligns with the Fibonacci levels, also if you look at the chart, we see that this area for a long time was standing as such a consolidation zone, and this is the area from where the price dropped. Yeah, we see this huge drop, then price retested this zone to continue just lower. Yeah, so yeah, I would say pay attention to this zone. Only if it will give a proper breakout. It should be like either monthly close at least above $1.4 or weekly close above this area, then expect further bullish trend continuation towards to higher targets. Next target can be previous all-time high around $2.6, which also align with the 1.41 Fibonacci levels. This is more high time frame. If you are looking for the entries, we see that the same situation with the stellar, right? We saw this crazy pump without any corrections. The same thing we have here. Yeah, what can we do? Simply wait now for some some correction to retest all these gaps that has formed after this pump, retest all these EMAs, yeah, and to continue its bullish trend. Or you can simply use Fibs. We can go to 4-hour time frame. We can pull Fibonacci levels. Yeah, from this high to this low, we're taking this price area. Right now we see that 4-hour did a breakout above 0.86. So any retest of 0.75, 0.618 or 0.5 is a good opportunity to buy for the bullish trend continuation. Okay, something like this. I would look for buys around this zone. It also aligns with the 4-hour FEG, EMAs. Yeah, something like this. But otherwise, it looks really good on monthly. It's bullish. Tau origin. Tau. No, I didn't do Tau yet. Let me check Tau. Tau, we bought spot in Chroma. Yeah, Tau, we bought spot in Chroma. This was the buy zone, if I'm not mistaken, around 390 or 80. Like, I don't remember exact level. And I have another limit around 260 just in case. What do we see right now on Tau? On Tau, I really like that the price been holding this daily FVG support zone, previous low, October 17th, yeah. Right now it's trying to reclaim this 200 EMA on daily time frame. And I think that from here, Tau will be sent higher. My target On Tau, is around 700 and then $1,000. It's more high time frame. Okay, so if spot, then it's good to buy here. And just in case, leave the limit order around 260. It will also fill this week. Yeah, and also it aligns with 1.41 Fibonacci level. Otherwise, right now, the situation is a bit 50-50 on weekly time frame, because I don't like this weekly drop, very strong drop on the weekly time frame. Yeah, but on our side, still above the middle. Still above the middle, it means that it's still on the bullish side and it can continue pumping from here. Let me check monthly, nothing. 3D. I really like the 3D chart. 3D is the same as the daily, holding this lows. Yeah, holding above 0.86 Fibonacci. RSI, which is very important, is above the 50, which should bring the bullish momentum in upcoming days. Yes, the only thing for us right now is to see a proper breakout on a lower time frame, I would say. Let's go to 4 hour. On 4 hour, our price can still retest this 4 hour FVG, but should not give any 4 hour close. Otherwise, it will bring the move down towards this limit orders that we have. Yes, that we're waiting with the Chroma community. Yes, otherwise, currently we see that on 4 hour time frame, it's simply in a range, consolidating, but still giving higher lows. Yeah, RSI flipped above the middle. EMAs, so far the only resistance is this 4 hour 200 EMA resistance. So any retest now of this 4 hour FVG support for me will be buy opportunity. Let me put Fibs. Yeah, so if it will give test of 376, 371, for me this will be a buy zone, because this risk reward is worth it in my opinion. This is very good area, and according to what I'm expecting to see, in my opinion, it's worth to try. So we can do something like this. Yeah, first step, if leverage long, then first take profit would be around 520. Yeah, it also aligns with this bearish order block. And another take profit would be around 690. It also aligns with the Fibonacci levels. Yeah, so something like this. So it's according to the risk reward ratio, it's 7.63. I mean, I think it's a good. No, it's good. So something like that. Let me also share it in Discord. Well, I shared the spot, but this can be interesting leverage long. Let me share it. Tau for leverage long, interested on H4 support zone. Let me share it in with the members. So this is a Tau. I will also set some alarms just in case. Yeah, I think it's worth to try. So any other questions? Ethereum is going according to plan. Let me also share it in them. So this, any other questions, guys, girls? Let me check. Questions? Any questions? Soul, okay, Litecoin, broccoli, Zag. Yeah, altcoins are still a bit weak. Altcoins are still a bit weak. USD dominance, I was waiting for this level. It's right now bouncing. Let's see. I should do something like this. Ethereum following the idea so far. Following the idea. If you short it, you should be in a profit. Bitcoin is also, like, I wanted it a bit higher, but it's already rejecting. I want to see something like that. Yeah, some retest of 103,940, 103,305 in 1 hour. It also aligns with the FIPS, and yeah, 200 EMA, 150 EMAs retest of this zone and just send it higher, in my opinion. Trump looks good. I think it will consolidate here and also will pump. Giggle, it's a coin from the Giggle Academy. Yeah, let me show you. No, not funds. Giggle Academy. Yeah, this one. This academy was created by the ex-CEO of Binance. And it has really good perspectives, in my opinion. It's completely free educational platform for the children. And I think this coin can pump hard. I share it in a Discord. It's a spot buy. But it's very volatile, so just be careful. It's a very volatile coin. Of course, it could go a bit lower again and then pump. I will see. Maybe I will share some DCA level and move stop loss lower. What else? There are a lot of coins with a good that looking good, but a lot of coins that still weak. So I would just suggest be careful with what you're taking. Yeah, H-bar was discussed on one of the streams. Yeah, it came to 0.86 and right now it's already 14% up. I'm expecting it higher. I'm expecting H bar to give at least 30% till this resistance area. On the volume profile, it aligns with POC, this green one, and value area high with this one. Yeah, and also it aligns with this trend line. It's highlighted. So yeah, it can give easy 30%, 32% to this resistance zone. So questions, anyone? Any questions? This one holding strong. Yep. I will set some alarms and see. Stock market looks fine. For me, most important to see this total 3 versus Bitcoin. It should give this breakout and altcoin should be sent. I'm watching. Okay. Just asking with gold and BC. I will keep watching the levels you mentioned. Okay. You're welcome. Gold. Yeah, gold pumping. You see, gold is pumping. And gold is pumping. Yeah, just watch out. This 4,118. Once it will give a breakout, then this is a target on gold. Yeah, like can pump 5%. So yeah. Now we have to wait. We have to wait for the coins to play out, and for the US market probably we will see the true move on the coins once US market will open. Yeah, and we will see true direction. Do you look at currency pairs? No, I don't really do this forex, but I can check if you want. No, I didn't long. I missed it. I missed the entry. I missed this entry. I didn't long. I just checked it recently, but I shared it in a chroma. Rolls-Royce. What is the ticker? This one. Is that correct? Let me know. If this is the correct stock, I'm looking. Rolls-Royce. Honestly speaking, the price is too extended. Personally, I would want to see some correction. I would want to see the retest on monthly time frame of at least $880. I want to see something like this because the price is too extended. RSI is too overbought. Yeah, on daily time frame. On daily time frame, it's still holding. On daily time frame, it looks good. It's still holding this bullish trend. Yeah, we can see that it's uptrending. The same as with Nasdaq SP 500 that I showed you. It's holding this 50 EMA. And right now, if short term, I would say it can pump till 1200 and then reject. This is the key level that I would be watching carefully. Yeah, according to the daily, it looks bullish. It's also flipped about this middle. It should bring a bullish momentum. So something like this would be interesting. Will it go higher? I don't know right now. I don't know. It can. It can. According to the FIBS, next level is around 1274. Yeah, something like that. Look, EU what? EU pair with what? Or just EU? If just EU, this one, or you want me to check Euro USD, right? Euro USD, Euro USD. Well, high time frame looks bullish. Flipped above this. Flipped above the EMAs. Trying to break out above 200 ml monthly. Weekly looks good. Daily looks also interesting. 4 hour. 4 hour, as long as it is above 115.49, it's bullish to me. I think we can try, like, according to the risk reward, it's interesting to try something like that. It's more swing and something like this, with the key levels to watch around 1.16, 1.17, 1.18, 13, and yeah, it can go higher. These are key levels. According to many time frames, it looks bullish to me. Even on 1 hour, it flipped this 200 EMA resistance, retested. RSI also bounced from 50. Should give a momentum. Should give a momentum, something like this, till this high, previous resistance. Yep. So yeah, this is Euro USD. Monero, keep an eye on Monero, in my opinion. Also another one that can pump. Yeah, it did break out above this previous resistance zone, above 0.86 Fibonacci. I'm expecting it to go higher from here, something like that. Yeah, right now it's holding above this 4 hour support zone. 4-hour FVG 2026 EMAs, in my opinion, Monero worth to try, something like that. Sorry. With the stop loss like this. Let me share it in a Discord as well. So, curve. Let me check. Let me check curve. Monthly low was taken. A weekly, I really like this that the price filled this week. Daily, what do we have on daily? So we had this range, right? Then price dropped, deviated, and now found support on a daily FVG. Yeah, I think that curve will pump from here. We can try to put stop loss right below this low, because the price already retested this daily FVG support. We can try to long till this next resistance area, which also aligns with the 200 EMA. Also, on a daily time frame, we see this strong bullish divergence. Yeah, when we have this lower lows, and on the RSI it shows higher lows. Yeah, I'm expecting to see a breakout above the middle, and it should bring a bullish momentum. So yeah, curve looks good according to the daily time frame. I think it's worth to try, with a tiny stop loss just below this recent low, and something like this. Let me also share it. Let me share it in a Discord. Yeah, it looks good. 4-hour, let me check. 4-hour. Yeah, 4-hour. Just below this low. 4-hour is trying to give a breakout. It was consolidating below this 100 EMA. Now on previous 4-hour close was above retest. Now should give a pump at least till this 200 EMA. On 4-hour time frame, it's like a 10% of the move. Yeah, so far I'm bullish. I will be bearish only if it will lose this low, and then of course it can drop more and more, but I don't see it so far, because according to the daily, it's been holding pretty nice. 12-hour looks good to me. 12-hour even did a breakout above this middle. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. Yes, so any other questions? Any other questions? So if no one has any questions, then I have to go. I have to go, guys and girls. If you have any questions further, you can just ping me in a Discord. Yeah, and I will try to reply to you. Otherwise, this is all for today. Let's wait for the things to play out, wait for the US market, and we will see like where the market is heading next. So far I'm bullish. I will be looking for longs on Ethereum around this 4-hour support zone and on Bitcoin as well. Yeah, and this I can delete, something like this. This is also not relevant anymore. I can delete this and this. This is not relevant for now. So, no questions, then thank you so much for being here, and I will see you hopefully next week. Next week I will be streaming, or if you have any questions, feel free to message me in Discord. And yeah, have a nice day, have a nice week, everyone, and see you. Bye bye.